is this place?
It's Dimension 35C, and it's got the perfect climate conditions. You're looking around and it's all scary and different, but you know, meeting them head on, charging right into them like a bull. That's how we grow as people. Oh, Morty, take a deep breath. Breathe that in. Breathe that fresh air in, Morty. You smell that? That's the smell of adventure, Morty. That's the smell of a whole different evolutionary timeline. Yeah, that's the difference between you and me, Morty. I never go back to the carpet store. Uh-huh.
This guy's taking Roy off the grid! This guy doesn't have a social security number for Roy!
Hate it, but you can't ignore it.